Hi guys, it's Manji. Welcome back to another video. For today's look, I'm going to be doing my go-to fall look. It is super fun, super easy. We're going to do a simple eye look with a bold lip. And for this fall look, I'm going to be using one of my go-to palettes. And I'm going to incorporate a new palette for this look for this year. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I am going to start off with my face first. I'm going to be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, another one of my go-tos. It primes my face very well and it also fills in my pores. For my foundation, I am going to be using my current favorite, which is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It looks like so. I'm going to put a few pumps on the back of my hand. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Sand. I'm also going to put a little bit on my lid. To set my highlight, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my Translucent Medium Deep. For the eyes, I'm going to be using my Pure Cosmetics Soiree Diaries palette. I'm going into the shade Splurge and add that to the crease. The next shade I'm going to use is Stunner. It is a little bit warmer. I'm going to put that in my lower crease. The new palette I wanted to incorporate in this look is the Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to take the shade Credit and just deepen the crease. I'm going to cut my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, from the Jackie Aina palette, I'm going to be using the shade Soleil, which is this very pretty shimmery shade right there. I'm going to use that and put that all over the lid. I'm going to be using my Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen to do a wing, just a very small wing. Okay, so I just added some lashes, and for my under eyes, I'm going to be using Credit. I'm going to put that in my bottom lash line. And I'm going to blend it out with these two shades mixed. Lately, I've been using this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. I've been using the contour shade, the blush, and these two mixed. These are highlighters. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to take this for contour. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be using my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. For the lips, I'm going to be using this brand. It's called Lagua Cloud Lips. I actually got this in my BoxyCharm. So this is the lip. It is super pretty. I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It came out super good. But yeah, I will be doing a lot more fall looks, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.